Hi everyone, my name is Robert and I have myasthenia gravis. Chances are if you're watching this, you have MG too, or you know someone who does. Now the title of this video is Myasthenia After 5 Years. So the main reason for that is to encourage you, especially if you're starting out and you're scared and you wonder what's happening to my body. I don't know what the future holds. Well, I'm here to encourage you and to tell you that you're going to get through this and you're going to be okay. When I first got MG over 5 years ago, I did not look like I do today. Now, here are a few pictures of where I was. 3-week hospital stay. I was intubated part of that time. I had many infusions, IVIG, plasmapheresis. I came home with a feeding tube. I had double vision. I still couldn't swallow. I could barely chew my food. I could barely talk. But guess what? Here I am today getting to make this video. Now, if there's one word I want to leave with you today is this: gratefulness. There's a saying that the same sun that melts the butter hardens the clay. And that sun, that heat, is MG. That's the crisis. And all of us are going to face a crisis in our life, but how you respond to that will determine your future. So you have a choice. We can respond hard. Why did this happen to me? I can't do the things I used to do. I don't know if I'll ever be going back to work. I just become the eternal patient. Or, you know what? I'm still alive. I live in an age when we have some of the best doctors in medicine that just a few generations ago, this disease would have killed many people. But I still get to wake up every morning. And I'm more appreciative of the things in my life that I took for granted, like the people in my life. And I get to meet a whole new group of people in an MG world that are my new MG family that have reached out to me and can understand and relate exactly what I'm going through. Because you see, gratefulness is a doorway to happiness. Grateful people are happy. Happy people are grateful. Unhappy people are not grateful because they're focusing on what they don't have. But grateful people can become happy because they focus on what they do have. Now, I'm releasing this video in June because that is Myasthenia Gravis Awareness Month. Now, you may not be watching this in June, but chances are every one of us is going to have someone in our life, whether it's MG or something else, they're going to battle a rare disease. There's more of them out there than you realize. And they're wonderful people and organizations that help fund research and development to bring new meds to patients. So whether it's MGFA or perhaps NORD, National Organization of Rare Diseases, or some other group that helps fund disease prevention and cure, give if you can. I want to encourage you to do that. But mostly, I just want to encourage you as an MG patient that you're going to get better. Now, do I still take medications and have side effects and physical limitations? Yes. And I don't know the severity of your MG, nor can I 100% guarantee your future, but I do know that our attitude affects our outlook, and the dividing line for that is gratefulness. And hey, at the end of the day, we all die. Sorry to break it to you, but we do have the hope of the resurrection through someone who conquered death on our behalf, Jesus Christ, but that's a whole nother video. But think about that. In the meantime, my email address, rrumpf@me.com, is at the bottom. And if you want to reach out, I promise I will contact you back. One of the blessings I've had from MG is the fact that I've met people from all over the world. And that's really cool. So I promise I will email you back, even if you just say, man, I'm scared. I don't know what to think. If you have any questions, and if I can connect you with anyone in your area, I want to do that as well. So reach out if you want to. In the meantime, be grateful and be blessed.